What up, good people? Huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to view the 2024 Nissan Altima. Today we're introducing the 2024 Nissan Altima. This particular model wrapped in a super black for the length 192 inches, height 56 inches. This have a wheelbase of 111 inches with a ground clearance of 5.1 inches. This particular model have an MSRP of $33,000. Right here we're looking at a 2.5 liter inline 4 pushing out 188 for the torque, 180 at 3,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 37, city 27. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. Right here we're looking at an analog digital display. On the left you have your RPMs with your engine temp. On the right you have your gas gauge with your MPH. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go to your fuel economy, trip, setting, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your menu button with your Bluetooth and volume button. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with voice command alongside your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your trunk release with your interior down with your trip reset. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. This particular model have blind spot detection. Right here we're looking at a 12.3 inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Nissan Connect. You have your traditional radio shortcuts with your camera button. Looking down from the radio, you have your climate control with your heated seats. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB with your 12-volt outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a continuous variable, aka CVT. Also on the back of the shift knob, you have your sport button. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS safety connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with a decent amount of leg room. You have 2 more USB outlets in the back of the vehicle. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 15.4 cubic feet. Wow, this is spacious. You can put a couple of 40-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to view the 2024 Nissan Altima. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Always good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.